Hi, so today I'm making a video in support of moving tension out of the neck and shoulders, an area where a lot of us chronically hold tension in our body. So let's get a little chance to move some of that chi, that stuck energy. So we're going to begin by bringing a nice strong stance for yourself and bring your awareness to your hands. Let's breathe in and gather some energy as if you have suction cups on your hands. Grab some from the earth. Turn them forward and grab some from nature. Turn them up and grab some from the sky. And use that energy to wash away any tension you're holding in the front of your body. Imagine just washing all the way down to your feet. And send it into the earth. Inhale, let's gather some more energy from earth, from nature, from the sky above. And let's wash down the back. Get a sense of cleansing away any tension all the way down into the earth. And one more time, inhale. Open the crown of your head and let's clean the inside. Like someone pulled the plug out of the bathtub and it's just washing down through you. All that tension is going out of the bottom of the feet and down into the earth. So the first exercise I want to show you is for if you have issues with frozen shoulder, which means you can't even lift your shoulders. So this will be a very simple exercise. So it's important for the feet structure. So I'm going to invite you to have a moment to look at your feet. And let's take your left foot and go out to a slight angle. You're going to take a step forward with your right leg and right foot. So they're still about shoulder width apart, but this foot is facing forward and this foot's off to the side. And that's used in Tai Chi. Once you get that stance, make sure your knees are bent. And you're going to start to flow back and forth. You're going to start to go to the back leg and the front leg, and to the back leg and to the front leg. And so you're going to use the power of your legs to support the movement in the shoulder. So let's begin by bringing your awareness, since we have our right foot forward, let's bring our focus to our left shoulder. And just kind of start by just shaking the arm. Just shake it out. Shake out any tension you might be holding there. And just get a sense of release there. And now we're going to use the weight of your legs and move forward and bring the back of the hand forward, and now the back of the hand's going to go back. So it's going to go forward and back. So the only thing you're doing with the hand is turning it so the back of the hand will lead. Back of the hand comes back. Back of the hand leads. Back of the hand comes back. So you're pumping your legs, so try to relax the shoulder as much as you can. And this turning back and forth is opening up the tendons and the muscles and the bones and helping that loosen up this tension you might be holding here. And you can do this for quite a while. We'll just do a short demonstration of it. And breathe at your own pace. So once again, I'm just twisting my hand. Back of the hand forward, back of the hand back. And I'm powering it with my legs. It's really important. I'm not moving my arm like this. My arm is just swaying with the movement of the legs. You really want to relax that shoulder and arm as much as you can. And let's do that now with the other side. So we'll come back. Come back, and now once again we're going to get our feet structure. So now your right foot goes out to a slight angle and you're going to take a step forward with your left foot. So you still have that space between your legs that are about shoulder width apart. And we're going to be pumping the legs just like we did on the other side. So let's begin by giving your arm a little shake. So we'll just let the arm come down and just shake it all about. And just kind of let go of whatever you might be holding there. Just start to lubricate it a little bit. And now let's shift our weight into the front leg. Back of the hand forward. Turn the hand back. And pump your legs back and forth. And get a sense of moving this energy through the shoulder by just shifting the hand and shifting the weight in the legs. And breathe. If you're holding a lot of tension, you may want to breathe out through the mouth. And let's just do that a couple more times. Back and forth and back and forth. Super, good. And then bring your feet so they're parallel once again. Let's bring all your fingertips together with your thumbs and place them right here lightly on the chest. We're going to do something called Rooster flaps his wings. So you're literally just making circles here. And we'll just do it in one direction for a few moments as you breathe. And of course, work with your own range of motion. If you don't have a lot of motion, maybe it's a little bit smaller. If you have lots of range of motion, you might want to make it a little bit bigger. Good, and try it the other direction. Starting to loosen up those shoulders. And starting also, you can already feel it into the back of the neck, upper back. And let's try that one arm at a time. So let one arm go back and then the other. So you can alternate. There's a lot of different ways to play with this, to loosen up. Good. And then let's try it the other way. Let's go forward. Almost like I'm doing a little kayak here. So you're just loosening up the tension. Good. All right, and then let's come back to stillness. Let your arms come down. And now I'm going to invite you to spread all your fingers. This is called spreading the feathers. And we're going to send the hands out to the side. Drop the shoulders. We're going to bring a little more focus to the neck. So with our hands down by the sides, like you're being pulled off to the side and the shoulders are down, drop your tailbone so you get a nice long spine. And then slowly let your head lean over to one side. And feel that stretch going all the way down the opposite side, down to your fingertips. And this might be enough for you. But if you want, you can add a little bit more. We're going to breathe in and lift the chin. Exhale, we're going to slowly drop the chin. Always working with your own range of motion. Just get a sense of moving the stuck energy on the opposite side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, let the chin drop. And once again, inhale. Exhale. If you're holding lots of tension, you may want to exhale through the mouth. Otherwise, inhale and exhale through the nose. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, exhale down. Let the head hang. Feel a stretch in the back of the neck. And then move over to the other side. And now get a sense of that stretch all the way down to your fingertips. Make sure those shoulders aren't coming up. And then breathe in and lift the chin. Exhale, let it roll down. And loosening up the muscles and tension that might be held in the opposite side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. And one more time. Good, and then let the head hang. Release the arms and give a little shake out. Give a nice little shake. Because you might feel some warmth coming down the arms as the energy that's been stuck here is starting to move. That's a great sign because that means you have access to more chi. Let's do that version again, but slightly differently. So bring all your fingers together with your thumb. Point your fingers up to the ceiling. Flex the wrist. So this is going to work some slightly different muscles. So let's lean over to the side. You're going to feel a different stretch. And once again, this might be enough for you. But if you feel ready, inhale, lift the chin. Exhale, slowly let it drop. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Rolling back and forth to loosen up the neck. Breathing in and out. Good, let's do that one more time. And then let the head hang in front. And let's get that stretch going on the other side. And just feel that for a moment. And if you're ready, inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Rolling back and forth. This sense of moving the stuck energy. Great if you've been doing a lot of computer work or focus work that you don't get a chance to move much. Bringing more flow. The body is meant to move, so this is helping that flow. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Good. Release the hands again. Give them a little shake. In fact, bring your feet a little bit closer together and just shake your whole body. Just let it go. Whatever's got loosened up, let's just invite it to continue to move. Good. And then begin to slow that bouncing down. And just feel the vibration in your hands. Feel the energy moving. This is a great one, little short series to do whenever you're feeling a lot of extra tension, you want to get it moving. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.